In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a digital voice recorder, a 64 gigabyte digital voice recorder. And I've already had this thing out, kind of put it through its paces and used it a little bit and verified all of it works. Let me just kind of like go over some of the features. It's got one key recording, voice activated recording, noise cancellation microphones, MP3 music player, USB flash drive, rechargeable battery. You know what? I already have the instructions out, kind of went over everything. Let me show you what you get with this. You get a little pair of headphones. They're basically USB-C headphones, which is always handy to have because if you got a, an Android or something, USB-C headphones works with that. They're kind of like iPod style, feel kind of cheap. They have a microphone with a volume up and down and a pause on it. You get two of those. Well, I don't know why they give you two of them, but you get two of them. You get a little small lanyard to use with this thing, USB-C cable for charging. This is a rechargeable device. And look how small this thing is. This is tiny. We'll take that off. One of the cool features about this is it's got a magnet on it, so you could easily put this under a desk or like stick it somewhere to record whatever meeting or anything you got going on. It has a playback on it, and to set this thing up, you're basically going to just go like this, everybody. Push it all the way over, and as soon as you do, you see that blue light? This is recording. This is actually recording right now. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. And then when you're done recording, you can put it into your computer and then plug in the USB-C, and it's basically like this is like a thumb drive. So let's turn it off. Actually, watch this. Let me put it on speak right here and watch. There's a recording right now. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. There's a micro. When you're done recording, you can put it into your. Not bad. That is actually really good. That's a really good recording. And you can actually add music to this. So this is a 64 gigabyte music player, and that's why you could just add music. You could load this down with all types of music and all that. It has a voice activating on it where you could do like a voice activating and try that. Here's all of the features: indicator light, playback on and off, speaker, charging port, headphone port. Here's kind of the voice activations. So when you plug this thing in, you're going to change the voice operation. So if you want voice activation, you need to plug it into a computer to set that up. But right now, it's just recording the way it is. So if I want to record, all I got to do is slide that up and it starts recording. You see that? You can do a lot of it from the device itself without a computer, but I recommend getting a computer, plugging this thing in, and actually experimenting around with the settings. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the 64 gigabyte digital voice recorder. See you on the next video.